Have you seen those cute AI dance videos on social media like TikTok and Instagram lately? They're viral and surprisingly easy to make for free. In this video, I'll show you how to create one step by step. Let's jump in. First, search for and visit the official Kling AI website on Google. Once you're inside, look at the left menu and click Video Generation, then choose Motion Control. Next, open the Motion Library. Here, you'll see a collection of ready-made dance motions. For beginners, I suggest starting with Cute Baby Dance. It's easy, works well, and gives very stable results. Now, upload a clear photo of a baby or character you want to animate. Here, I upload a cut cat photo. After that, click Generate and wait a moment. Kling AI provides free credits every month. I received 166 credits this month, and generating one video like this costs 50 credits. So use them wisely. And just like that, your AI animal dance video is ready. What do you think? To avoid video blurring due to quality compression after uploading to social media platforms, you should definitely try 4DDIG file repair. Its video enhancement feature can improve video quality. Just click the AI enhancer, then the video enhancer. Add your AI animal video and hit Enhance. 4DDIG will automatically sharpen the details, improve clarity, and reduce visible quality loss. Click the link in the description and give it a try. By the way, if you want to experiment even more, 4DDIG also includes an AI image style transfer feature. You can turn your original cat photo into different style, like cartoon, artistic looks, and more. Give it a try. That's all for today. If you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be sharing more AI tools and creative tips in upcoming videos. See you in the next one.